As we talked in the preparation of the wire, I want to show a couple things because a lot of our HVAC contractors are not familiar with how to cut and prepare this wire, especially because it has the MC metal armor, and it's just something that's foreign to them. Normally they're using thermostat wire and stripping those kind of wire. So the first thing, we have our cable and we need to take the insulation and remove it. Easiest way is with our pipe cutting tool. You simply secure it, make a couple turns, tighten it, and simply twist it off. Pretty simple. The more difficult part, and what people haven't done in the past in HVAC, is cut this MC cable. And we have our rotary cutter for that. With that rotary cutter, we lay in the wire. We pick the last link that we want to take the armor off. We secure it so it doesn't move. Squeeze the handle, make the turns. That's cutting. And as you can see it right there, it makes a small cut here. Now that looks like, oh, I need to cut the rest of it, but because it's interlocked and twisted, any kind of device, you can even do it with the hands, but I have dainty hands. And you simply take it off. And there you have a prepared easy in cable with shielding for our new connector.